The new game option shows on the LCD display the first time the menu button is selected. When this is a new game, press yes to clear all of the program data for the last game played or the game in progress and begin running the selected sport. Press no to resume the game in progress using the current data and exit the menu. If the All-Sport console is utilized for multiple sports, it may be necessary to enter a new code. After selecting Menu and pressing the down arrow button once, the option to enter a new code is presented. Press yes to begin selection of a new code from the Enter Code prompt. Press no to resume the game in progress using the current data and exit the menu. Home roster and guest roster are entered the same way. Home roster is used as an example. Press yes or the right or left arrow key to select the home or guest roster submenu and show the first prompt on the LCD. After selecting yes, home-team name will appear on the LCD screen with the second line flashing on the first letter of the team name. You will see at the end of the line the asterisk is also blinking. This is to let you know to accept the change. Enter yes needs to be pushed after the name is entered. The team name insert must be used to enter the team name message center settings. The team name message center setting is updated after each selection is completed. Enter up to 15 characters for the team name and press enter. After entering the home and guest team names, reinsert the basketball insert to continue. Press no to resume the game in progress using the current data and exit the menu. As you prepare to utilize the All-Sport 5000 console for basketball, there are a few specific menu options to begin setting up. After you have turned on the console, the menu will prompt if this is a new game and if a new code needs to be entered. The menu key allows the user to select from a list of options specific for each sport. Utilize the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the menu list. Pressing a key other than yes, no, the arrow keys, and other allowed keys exits the menu function. Use this function at the start of each new game to edit the home and guest rosters. Pressing the menu key again is the easiest way to exit the menu function. Within the menu navigation, there is an option for Edit Settings. Edit Settings will give you the option to edit settings related to the number of periods, main clock, play clock, timeouts, team score, and fouls, and a couple of other options that have defaults set within the system. To access the Edit Settings option, choose the menu key, then arrow down past New Game, New Code, Dimming, Home and Guest Roster, and Display Settings. When the LCD shows Menu-Main, Edit Settings, you will want to select Enter or Yes to access the options. The first setting in the Edit Settings menu is to set up the number of periods. As the operator, you will want to select 2 or 4, then hit Enter or Yes on the keypad. The main clock mode and time options allow for setting the display to show 1/10 of a second and the lengths associated to a period, break, and overtime. The shot clock time allows the options to set Reset 1 and Reset 2 times and select if it will be reset on stop. Whenever a new number, yes or no, have been selected, the asterisk will blink that Enter or Yes needs to be pressed to save the selection. The shot clock setting is used by the remote shot clock console. The configured shot clock times are set using the Edit Settings function when a new code is selected. The Reset 1 button resets the shot clock using the Reset 1 time, and the Reset 2 button uses the Reset 2 time. Timeouts, both full and partial, can be set to the specific number that need to be available for the game with the amount of time that needs to be associated to each. As you enter in the correct number, the asterisk will flash to have you hit Enter or Yes to save the change. During the game, as timeouts are used, it will apply what is used based on this setting. With basketball, you also have the ability when entering in the home and guest roster to add in the player numbers. The next setting available in the Edit Settings portion of the menu after adjusting the timeout options is to determine if the team score and team fouls will update each time to request the number for each player. By selecting Y for yes for team score, update player, and for the team fouls, update player, every time points or a team foul are entered, the console will prompt you for the player number.